welcome to Maths and Computing. My name's Craig Marsden and I'm the Head of Faculty. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what we do in sixth form in terms of Maths and Computing. We have 3 A-levels that we look at in QEGS. We have A-level Maths, A-level Computing and A-level Further Maths. I'm going to talk to you a little bit just to start with about A-level Mathematics. We use the Edexcel exam board, which is the one we use at GCSE, and we continue on from what we've learned at GCSE. The A-level in Maths consists of 3 topic areas: pure Maths, mechanics and statistics. With the pure Maths, a big focus on this is algebra and algebraic manipulation. This looks at things like calculus, trigonometry and equations, although there's much more to it than just that. With mechanics, we do a little bit of a crossover with the things in physics, and we look at things like forces, projectiles, moments and friction. In statistical analysis, with the statistical part of it, we look at the analysis of data, the presentation of data, the interpretation and what that can mean in the real life situation, and we also look at a large data set as well. The exam consists of 3 papers. All of those are 2 hours long, and you can use a calculator for every one of those. We also give you, and the exam board will give you, a table of results and formula that you can use, and you can take those with you into the exam. They'll be provided with you to help you with those. You're allowed a calculator that will assist you with lots and lots of different functions, but there are limitations on the amount of data it can hold on there, so you'll have to check, and we'll advise you on that if you ask us. In further maths, we look at further topics that are not covered in the ordinary A-level. So those are more advanced, and it's more maths rather than harder maths. So that's something to take into consideration if you're looking at particular jobs. With further for mathematics, we're looking at more complex situations, things like conic sections and also matrices that aren't covered on any of the other A-level maths topics on there. Your lesson time will consist of around about 6 periods of a week, and that will be with 2 teachers. Each of those teachers will be specialised in maths, and one will probably look at pure maths and mechanics, and one will probably look at pure maths and statistics. We try to do as many trips as possible when we're able to, and those will take us to see speakers at different universities, we'll look at different events and anything that we can think that's maths related that we might find interesting. We do also enter every year the Maths Challenge, the Senior Maths Challenge, so you are encouraged to do that, although it is optional, and we won't actually force you into do that if you really don't want to. A lot of our students go into university to study maths and maths related degrees. Some of these include maths, accounting, economics, medicine, geography. Maths is thought of very highly and is used in a wide variety of different jobs. We also offer computer science as an A-level, and computer science builds on the computer science topics that you've already done at GCSE. So what we will do is also continue looking at the Python programming that you've learnt at GCSE. We'll also look at object-orientated programming and databases and various different programming languages. We use the OCR syllabus there, and we'll also look at scripting, including JavaScript. You'll be expected at A-level computing to do your own programming project, and this will be something that you can pick on your own and you can demonstrate your skills. It'll demonstrate your problem solving skills, your analysis skills and also your programming skills. We look at other areas including Dijkstra's algorithm. One of the fascinating trips we do, which is really, really popular, and we'll take both year 10 but especially we take year 12 on this, we take you to the largest free-to-play arcade in Europe. Okay, where you can look at how games and video games and programmers have used their skills to create some of the latest and some of the past games and gaming technology that's evident in the world today. Jobs are many and varied in terms of computer programming, and a lot of them are also unfilled. So we're looking at things like computer programmers, system analysts, developers, game designers, even in the music industry. Even if you don't decide to go into a job that's directly computer related, many of your jobs that you will go into need you to have computer skills, which you will learn doing the A-level computer science. I hope that gives you a really good overview of A-level maths, further maths and computing. We do look forward to seeing you in our sixth form, and if you do have any questions, please just pop them in the comment box below.